Hey everyone, it's Deb. I'm back with a budget bead box. Now, this is not the box, and how they have it on Budget Bead Box website is there are one-time boxes you can get. I think the one they have now is the gemstone box, which I've heard is limited supply. Or you can just shop and there's you can buy things that aren't in the box, and then there's some things they have available that are in that month's box. So I got a combination of both. I just wanted to check out the website because I hadn't shopped there before. And the lady that runs this, I believe it's a lady, is in Arizona. So the store is in Arizona in the United States. And so let's see what I got. And these will be going into my jewelry business inventory to use there. Okay, so let me move the tissue paper out of the way. And here's my receipt probably. Oh, I got a free gift just in time for Christmas. Those are pretty cool. Large hole beads. I have an idea for them actually. Okay, she wrote some notes on here because I ordered 3 and she just wrote 1 times that many pieces because there were so many pieces. And a nice organza bag I can definitely reuse. Okay, so the first thing, I saw someone else get this and I don't think it was in the box, but it's a 45 by 40 millimeter large cat eye heart pendant, and I just thought it was beautiful. So I had to get one of those too. Now I have good and bad luck with cat eye. Sometimes it doesn't have that shine like you're seeing there, but that is just gorgeous. So I'll probably use this side on the front. This side has a few little spots, but it'll be all right for the back. And I'm going to make a very simple necklace with this, I think. Just gorgeous. So I love that. Of course, these 2 holiday pieces, and they look like probably lampwork glass too, and they have green around here and then white, sort of like an abstract poinsettia design almost. They're really cool, or a winter sweater. All right, so let's go with the beads. Oh, I got 2 of those actually, so look at that. Woohoo! All right, you know what, I'm going to sort this out and I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, I have these sorted out now. Let me turn that over. Maybe it'll be less glary. Not really. Okay, so after the large cat eye pendants, these are 6 by 3 millimeter crystal AB silver brass rhinestone spacer beads, grade A, straight flange, meaning they're not wavy around the edges. And I don't know if you can see the glimmer in there. That's AB. It's like Aurora Borealis is what that stands for. I love those. I use them a lot. Forgive my nails. I can't do my nails right. Anyway, I got 3 of these, and there's 10 pieces in each for $1.25 for 10. So the prices are okay. This, instead of giving me 3 of 10, she gave me 1 with 30. These are 8 by 4 millimeter clear AB rhinestone. Now these have a wavier edge. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but they're wavy around the edge as opposed to being a straight edge here. But they're bigger and they'll be nice for using in bracelets and things like that. So then the next thing I got is these antique silver rhombus Tibetan style alloy links, cadmium and lead free, and it says 8 pieces, and I ordered 2 of them, and they look like this. I like using links in a lot of jewelry, even just a pair of earrings here with some dangles down the side and hook on the top would be really pretty. So yeah, I'll be using them pretty soon I think. And then these I couldn't pass up. These are 12 by 12.5 by 4 millimeter, 4 being the depth I think. Magma AB electroplate glass 3 petal flower bead caps. So they're glass bead caps. So you put them over top a bead like this, or put a bead in between like this. And they have iridescence to them also. They have the AB. The hole is 1.4 millimeter, so it's not a real big hole, but I prefer that when I'm doing like earrings or bead caps and things. And 10 pieces to a bag, and I got 2. They were $2 for 10 pieces, so 20 cents a bead basically. And then I got some small 5 by 2.5 millimeter. Now these have emerald crystals in, or rhinestones. Silver wavy edge, brass rhinestone rondelle, spacers grade, AAA, nickel free, hole 1 millimeter, 10 pieces. And I like to use them with my angels at Christmas time. And then I also got them in hyacinth, which is like a red. So there you go. And they're much thinner. They're 5 by 5 diameter by 2.5 depth. Okay. So I got those. And then I ordered, where is that? Okay. 22.5 by 16 by 3 millimeter antique silver Christmas reindeer Tibetan style. I got 2 packs of these, and there's 6 pieces in a pack, so I have 12. And the hole, that's what I was curious about. Where is the hole? It said the hole, oh, the hole is here. Okay, there's one here and one here. So you could string it on like that. Or you can string it on like this and then have something dangle from the front. Interesting. I didn't realize there was a hole down on the bottom too. They're kind of lightweight. They're double-sided. And it says lead, cadmium, and nickel free. And the hole's 1.5 millimeter. So that's big enough to put a jump ring through, hook it onto a chain or whatever. And this is just the space in between the legs of the deer. It is very lightweight. Almost, I don't know. I sometimes wonder if things come from China, if they're not metallicized plastic, but because it's so lightweight. But I don't, and it has a little bit of weight to it. So, but it looks good quality. It's double-sided. And then lastly, I got these 46 this way by 12 this way by 1 millimeter thick antique silver geometric ring alloy pendant. I thought there's so many ways you could use this. I mean, you could hook it on a bracelet like this, or a necklace, or hook 2 together, or hook 3 together. I have a lot of ideas for this. Lead, cadmium, and nickel free. The hole is 1 to 7 millimeters, so 1 here and 7 here, I'm sure. And you get 4 pieces for $1.25, and I purchased 2 of those because I thought I could do so much. And it's one-sided. This is the back, and the front is all textured, so you can see that hopefully there. Sorry about the glare. There we go. And that's it. That's what I got from Budget Bead Box. I spent $25.25, and it was $2.50 shipping on $2.50 shipping or free if you ordered $50 or more, or a box. And I didn't. I wanted to see the products first. And her boxes are not subscription like others are. This is Budget Bead Box. There is a, I think there is a dollar bead box, which is subscription. I know there's bead box, bargain bead box, sorry, and their sister store, Bead Box Bargains. They definitely, that was my favorite subscription box. I just can't, I don't have any room for any more boxes. I just need to only get things I know I'll use soon, and that's it. So that's it for my Budget Bead Box order. Everything is gorgeous. I love it. I always love these rhinestone spacers. And my craft fairs this year are done now, but I can certainly work ahead and make some things with these little reindeer for next year. And these could be for all year round, as can be these. And I think these would be great in summertime bead caps on some beautiful pearls or something like that. So yeah, that's it. All right, guys, I will talk to you soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now. Hugs, love, and peace.